Hello guys, welcome to Proggy. Today we have come up again with an interesting extension. So are you tired of reading web pages because of too bright white light? Then you have come to the right place for a solution. And the solution is right in front of you. The answer is Dark Reader extension in Firefox. So let us see how to use it. To go to this particular website, you can go from the add-ons mozilla.org, or if you are lost, just open a new tab, click the application menu, go to add-ons and themes. Either you can type the name of extension here or directly click on this particular find more add-ons and it will take you to the official Firefox browser add-ons web page. There you can type Dark Reader. Okay, here it comes. So now you have to just click on add to Firefox button and this extension will be added to the browser. So let's see how to use it. Let's open a Wikipedia page first. Can you see the difference? Now the pages are coming in black. Earlier, let us pin this first to the toolbar. Earlier, if this extension was not there, you will have seen Wikipedia like this, right? So isn't it cool? This is quite soothing on your eyes if you ensure the entire page is dark and black. Now remember, this particular extension's work is different from your standard dark and light mode in your browsers. So when you do the dark or light mode in your Windows or in your browser settings, basically all the pages of your operating system, screens of your operating system which are native to it, get changed to black color, but it does not happen with your web pages, right? Now Wikipedia is a rare web page which actually gives you a particular toggle in the page itself for changing from light to dark, but this is not the case for all websites, right? As you can see, we have opened up the web page of NBC and here there is no such toggle, at least I can't find one. So from here you can go and enforce the dark reader extension on this web page and you can see it has changed to a dark mode. I hope this extension will be of real use to your eyes. So thank you for watching. Please share this video. If you have any questions, write in the comment section. Also like it if you love it and if the video makes sense to you. Also please subscribe the channel again. Thank you. Bye and we'll come back soon.